Hi friends, welcome to Botany, the language of plants, and today's topic vegetative structure of Chara. We know Chara is a macroscopic algae, means we can see this algae by our naked eyes. Chara look like a small tree where main axis and lateral axis are present and so many branches also present. Now main axis. Main axis erect, long node and internode present. Internode consists of elongated cell where node region consists of 6 to 20 peripheral cell and 2 central cell. So, no internode region contain elongated cell and node region contain 6 to 20 peripheral cell. So these are peripheral cell and 2 central cell. So these are 2 central cell. This is also 2 central cell. Now each internodal cell, this is internodal cell and this is cortical cell. So each internodal cell rectangular in shape which contain a large central vacuole, multinucleus and many chloroplasts. Peripheral or central cell, isodiametric in shape, contain a single nucleus. So this cell uninucleate but multivacuole and multichloroplast contain. So in case of internodal cell, a single vacuole present, but in case of central cell or peripheral cell, numerous vacuole present. Here many nucleus present, but here single nucleus present, and here multichloroplast present, and here also multichloroplast present. Each internodal cell encircled by cortical cells. So this is cortical cell, this is internodal cell, and this is peripheral and nodal cell. So this is the main axis of Chara, node region and internode region present, and we know node region contain 6 to 20 peripheral cell and 2 central cell. Now from this peripheral cell, branches of limited growth arise. So these branches of limited growth arise from these peripheral cells, and each branches of limited growth contain 5 to 15 nodes. So here 5 to 15 nodes present. These branches of limited growth also called primary laterals. From each node of primary laterals, secondary laterals arise. So, these are secondary laterals arise from branches of limited growth or primary lateral branch. And each secondary lateral branch contains single or double small oval shaped stipules or stipulodes. So, this is main axis. From main axis, branches of limited growth or primary laterals branches arise from peripheral cells, and each primary laterals contain 5 to 15 nodes, and each nodes contain secondary laterals, and each secondary laterals contain two or single stipulodes. So these are secondary laterals. Now, from the exile of limited growth or branches of limited growth or primary branches of unlimited growth arise. So, these are branches of unlimited growth. Each branches of unlimited growth look like main axis. So, each branches of unlimited growth contain node and internode region, and each node contain primary lateral leaves. So, each node contain primary lateral leaves. Each primary lateral nodes contain secondary laterals. So, we know primary lateral branches contain 5 to 15 nodes. So, here all primary laterals branches contain 5 to 15 nodes, and from each node secondary lateral branches arise. So, secondary lateral branches arise, and each secondary laterals contain stipulodes. So, stipulodes present this area. So, this is stipulodes at the axial portions of secondary lateral. In this area, stipulodes present. Globulicule also arise from this area. So, this is the vegetative structure of Chara. Rhizoids arise from rhizoidal plates which present at the base of the main axis. So, this is rhizoidal plates. From rhizoidal plates, rhizoids arise. Oblique septum present on rhizoids. So, these are oblique septum. Rhizoids are multicellular and uniseriate. So, multicellular means many cells present in a single row. So, multicellular and unicellular. Multicellular, many cells are present in a single row. So unicellular. And rhizoids increase by size by apical growth. So at this apical portion, meristematic cells are present, and rhizoid arise from the base of the main axis or sometimes at the lower peripheral cell. So from peripheral cells of lower nodes, rhizoids sometimes arise or sometimes arise from this rhizoidal plates. So this is the vegetative structure of Chara. If you like this video, then press like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get a notification, and thank you for watching this video.